To get started with the Upwork extension, first, type your search. I'll search for developer jobs. Next, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract jobs. As you can see, we extracted the jobs in this page. To extract more pages, simply press Add to Export List. Then, go to the next page. And then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function. As you can see, the extension automatically switches pages and adds more items to the list. Once you're satisfied with the amount, press Stop. Next, to export this, press on the extension, then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the details of this job. So, let's press on it. Then, let's press on the extension. As you can see, we have two more options available to use. We will use extract job details. And there you go. We extracted the job details. Now, to export this, again, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. After exporting, again, here is all the information we extracted.